In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a transaction in Zoho Books. First, open Zoho Books on your browser or through the app and sign into your organization. Give it a moment to load your dashboard. We're heading straight to the banking area, because that's where your bank feeds and account transactions live. On the left sidebar, find and click the banking module. This panel lists all the bank and credit card accounts you've connected, along with their balances and recent activity. Next, select the specific account that contains the transaction you want to remove. Choosing the right account matters, especially if you manage multiple checking, savings, or card accounts. A quick tip here: double-check the account name and the last few transactions displayed to make sure you are in the right place before proceeding. Inside the account, go to the All Transactions tab. This view shows the complete feed of entries associated with that account. If you are dealing with a long list, use the filters or search to narrow things down. Filtering by date range, amount, or reference details can help you quickly isolate the exact entry. Take a moment to verify the transaction details: date, amount, description, and any matches, so you are certain you are deleting the correct one. When you've located the target transaction, look to the right side of its row for the trash bin icon. That's the delete action. Click the trash bin to initiate the removal. If you don't see the icon, it may be because of user permissions or a lock on the period. In that case, check with your administrator before continuing. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Read it carefully. Deleting a transaction removes it from the account's activity and can affect reconciliations and reports that include that entry. If you need a record for your files, consider saving a quick note or screenshot before you proceed. When you are sure, confirm the deletion in the pop-up. The transaction will be removed, and your list will refresh to reflect the change. That's it. Thanks for watching.